I'm in the company of Vanderlei Horn, General Manager of the Lifestyle Division of SRL. Good
Hi,
morning,
hello.
Vanderlei.
Good morning.
Can you tell me a little bit about the restructuring and rebranding of the company? I've noticed that there's been quite a lot of changes and shuffling around. Can you tell us more?
I think we are pretty much excited and happy to be here in the leather show and giving notice to the whole community in the leather business, to our customers, that we are changing our rebrand. We are rebranding it, yes, our image, focusing on zero discharge. That's something that we are doing, and as we speak, we're having operation being made in Fuxing, being worked in this building, this new building. Cut. I'm a little bit.
They will.
Yeah. All right. And before we had in the leather show, we were coming here. It was red and white. Okay. This year, as we see, is green. So this is the thing that we are doing to show to our customers the green and the environmental appeal. In this, we have focused in Fuxing, which is in Liaoning province. This is 1 hour, 45 minutes from here by air. And we having already one operation there that is running, which is the beam house. Beam house is the first part of the process. We're having hides from raw, taking the hair off and producing until wet blue. And from there, from January on, we intend to have our crust operation being working there as well. The zero discharge for us actually means no water, no smell, and a strict control in the chrome utilization in the leather making. We also will be able, in this new facility, to run leathers without chrome, which is also we are having a very interesting response from our customers, that they can see we having this possibility to make leathers without the chrome, because the chrome is always being seen as something that is not good environmentally speaking, and we're giving these alternatives.
Okay, so basically it's having a new image, a new brand, but also giving different options to
different options. So yeah, Fuxing will be we would have flexibility in our operation that other companies in China don't have. China is changing very quickly, and the only way for tanneries to survive in China, besides making good products, you also need to have a very strong environmental focus, that you are doing things right in the best way with the best practice. The technology exists. It's a matter of how to apply it, how to use it, and make it work. And that's what we are willing to do. We are excited. It's a very big project. It's a good amount of money that we're putting in this. And this project in Fuxing has a time frame. We're already having something being executed today. We would be pretty much set in Fuxing with operation from raw to finish. The plan is also getting leathers into the level of cutting. We want to have also considering the carbon footprint. Because today what happens? Many tanneries bring raw materials from other places bring to tanning. Then from that tannery it goes to another place to make the retanning and finishing. It goes to a shoe factory that goes and makes another operation, makes the shoes, and then those shoes go to a container. That container goes to somewhere else. So you're having a lot of transportation, a lot of steps in this operation that are not efficient.
So you're aiming at consolidating.
Exactly. We are consolidating everything in one spot. Okay, from raw until cut parts, and this will make us in a certain way unique. That we're having all these possibilities, considering auto and considering lifestyle. That we can also provide to our customers, if they wish so, cut parts. So you can make shoes with it, and we're sending the parts already cut. Yeah, so reducing time and cost.
So, how challenging is it for to deal with two, sectors as different as they are, like lifestyle on one side and automotive on the other side?
Yeah, this is something that we need to learn how to synergize, especially on the raw material management. Yeah? Because the raw material you get, lifestyle and auto, they are like brothers. So, and they can get benefit from each other. There are certain type of raw materials that they can be pretty much suitable for auto, and other raw materials can go pretty much for shoes. So we need to learn and to get, the synergy, to get all the benefit to our customers and making, things happen in the best way, in the best practice.
Okay. So do you mean, these two sectors can complement each other?
Can complement each other. It's very important, that's the vision we have.
Okay. So you have been dealing with famous brands, both in the lifestyle and the automotive. Lifestyle, we can talk about Deckers, for instance. Mm-hmm. What kind of requirements, do they have, and how do you answer that demand?
Well, we're having our brands as Deckers, as mentioning one of our major customers. We develop leathers, that we present every 6 months. We're having seasons. We present leathers that we see in the trend what can come out. That's interesting for that season based on trends we see in Europe. And we build a line. As you see here, we're having leathers that we have been developing, and these are leathers from one season, all right? We present this to our customers, and our customers choose the products that they believe are innovative, that they are can make the shoes that their final consumer expects that is something that they like. And we have a process that goes, from approval to confirmation of samples, and with a very close follow-up with the final customer to see if that we fit their needs. So that's.
So what kind of special requirements, a company like Deckers would have, for instance?
Well, quality is the first thing.
Obviously.
Correct. And besides that, we need to be very sharp with deliveries. Is another thing important, because if you're having nice leathers and you're not delivering on time, you have nothing to sell. So that's another point that's very important, having the quality, the delivery on time, and having, the proper assistance in the field, giving support to the shoe factories that they are really using our leathers in the best way possible, getting the best yield out of the leathers we sell, getting the best product, they can put in the boxes and sending to the stores. So that's basically what we do.
How about the automotive industry? What big name, do you work with?
Well, actually what we're having is a partnership with GST, Garden State Tuning, that we have in this partnership for a long time. And they are being very good partners with us. And we're making leathers here for China. And things are going great. And we hope they can continue, because China, the auto market is something that has a steady growth.
Yes.
And
expecting 6% growth.
Yes, something like that. So, and that's something that we appreciate, and we want to continue, and we want to make this business grow.
Good. The company's motto is the art of innovation. How can you explain this vision, and how do you stick to it?
Comparing with other people, we take more chances in making leather. When I say that, we take more risk. Normally, everybody wants to get in a streamline, making leathers that are easy to make, simple, safe, that they know you can sell that, and basically would be no big issues. But our customers quite often say, well, that's boring. That's not what we're looking for. So we're trying to be a little bit different on that, on showing things, and also together with our partners from the chemical industry, our partners from the machinery industry, who can help on that, on developing products that can aim, our final customers, So we need to be thinking a little bit out of the box.
Okay, so a risk,
Yeah,
a risk-taking
we need
company.
to take a little bit risk.
Okay, a risk-taking company.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.